don't make me come over there. Look, I've got an hour of paperwork ahead of me, and I've already had to deal with one asshole tonight, so...
Sorry, Bigby. Didn't mean to be an asshole.
Beauty?
Hello, Bigby. I wasn't expecting anyone.
You're up pretty late.
Is there some sort of curfew I don't know about? What's with the third degree? Damn it, I'm late. Please, Bigby, promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier. Just please. Promise me.
Sure,
You promise.
I promise.
Thank you, Bigby. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go. Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it.